So for the mushrooms, we take the King Oyster mushroom, slice in half, and then very gently with the tip of the knife, you score them like this all the way, and the other side as well. Don't go too deep inside. This will also allow the heat to penetrate and cook the mushroom better. And we keep this on the side for now. And next we can take some beautiful extra virgin Zerillo olive oil, and we can place the King Oyster facing down like this. Make sure the mushroom is completely covered in oil, so go like this. Next we can take the Blue Oyster mushroom, just break them like this, and facing down you put in the oil. Make sure again that even the Blue Oyster are getting covered in oil. Once all the mushrooms are in the pan, so you take one garlic clove and very gently with just your hand you can press it and break it. We place that in the middle. Fine salt, olive oil on top again. Now for the moment we set this aside and we prepare the fagiolini, because we are gonna cook them together with the fagiolini. Next, for the fagiolini, we take these beautiful chili peppers. You can go, this one is a little bit sweet, but if you want that to be a little bit spicy, you can go with a spicier chili. This is around 1 pound of fagiolini. Some Zerillo extra virgin olive oil, all the chili, and 1 garlic clove finely chopped. 1 pound of fagiolini that we previously blanched in boiling salted water after 4 minutes, and then they are ready. Now that the oven is in temperature at 390 Fahrenheit, we can put our mushrooms on the back, so we have space in the front for the fagiolini. So we put the cast iron with the oil. Next, when the garlic starts to get brown, we can add the blanched fagiolini, a little bit of salt, you stir it. What I like about this oven is that, like now, you can put 2 skillets and have 2 dishes going at the same time. That's beautiful, so your guests will never wait. After 10 minutes, fagiolini are ready. Look at them, nice and crispy. And here is the mushrooms. Look how crispy they are. A little bit of Maldon Salt, chopped chive, and they're ready. Here we have our beautiful fagiolini. With this recipe, these 2 sides together, you can have a beautiful accomplishment for your guests. They will be amazed.